What's up guys, so this is the newest device from the company Xiaomi, the Mi 9. The packaging of the phone arrives with some documentations, SIM ejector pin, a 27-watt charger, and a Type-C cable. The company have also announced a bunch of gadgets along with the Mi 9. A 20-watt wireless charger, a wireless 10,000 mAh power bank, and a special car charger. The 20-watt wireless charger here is capable of charging your phone within an hour. The 20-watt wireless charger here is capable of charging your phone within an hour. That's really amazing. There's also a wireless power bank here, which also supports power up to 20 watt, and can charge your device quickly. The company have also provided some special cases for the reviewers. So starting of the look, it is the most beautiful device by the company so far. The device comes with a very slim bezels all around the screen, with double-sided glass finish, that looks quite elegant. The phone is extremely compact, and has a beautiful texture at the back. Yes, the phone ditches a headphone jack, just to make it slim and lightweight. It has a Type-C port and speaker grills at the bottom. Just check out how slim it look, and with those curved edges, it also provides better grip. The reflective glass back is really beautiful. It also has several other colors. To make the phone more beautiful, the bottom chin has been extremely reduced. Thanks to panel packaging technology, it almost looks bezel-less. The phone has a 6.39-inch AMOLED display, with a water drop notch on the top. Thanks to an AMOLED panel, the colors of the screen are extremely vibrant. The display is covered by a layer of Gorilla Glass 6, protecting scratches and scuffs. The company claims the phone has a massive screen-to-body ratio of 90.7%, which is just invincible. The device looks extremely beautiful when light reflects the back surface. And who can ignore a triple camera setup? The back not shows only one, but several colors at the time of reflection. Just for quick specs, the Mi 9 is loaded with top-of-the-line Snapdragon 855 chipset. The processor is paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage. The device has no compromise at all, instead of a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Mi 9 runs on MIUI 10 out of the box, and it has a new dark mode feature. The phone is loaded with Android Pie version, which is currently the latest. Now moving to its main feature, the cameras. The Mi 9 is the company's first triple camera phone that has a main 48-megapixel sensor. The camera setup includes a special ring on the top sensor that shows several colors. The phone has a main 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, which is really great. The second sensor is a 12-megapixel Samsung's lens, while the third one is a 16-megapixel Sony IMX481 wide-angle lens. So let's check out some shots taken from the Mi 9. So here's a standard shot, and here's one with wide-angle lens. Amazing! The details are extremely sharp and the picture is crystal clear. The macro shots from this device looks extremely attractive with natural bokeh. I'm quite impressed with the details it maintains, really beautiful. Time for camera comparison, the Mi 9 versus the Mate 20 Pro. Let's find out which one is the real king of camera. The detailings of both the Mi 9 and the Mate 20 Pro are remarkable. This phone is also the third highest scorer in the DxOMark website, a great achievement. After camera, in terms of performance, it is really powerful, so you all are quite excited to check out its benchmark scores. Here is it. There's no problem with gaming at all, it handles every game very well. So that's all guys, you can check its insanely low price tag in description. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, make sure to subscribe our channel, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.